In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with dates in Microsoft Power Automate. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your workflows with date manipulation, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and comprehensively. Let's begin by creating a new flow in Power Automate. Once you're in, you'll start by initializing a date variable. Head over to the options to add a new step and choose Initialize Variable from the list. Here, you'll need to define some properties for your variable. Set the name to Current Date to make it easy to identify. The type should be string, as we will be storing our date in this format. In the Value field, you're going to input an expression that generates the current date and time, regardless of where you are. Type in the expression UTC now, and this will automatically fetch the current date and time in Coordinated Universal Time. Next, we move on to formatting the date. Begin by adding another new step and selecting Compose from the available actions. In the Inputs field, you'll want to format the date into a more readable or usable form. Input this expression: Format Date Time Variables Current Date. EMD. What this does is transform your current date into a year-month-day format, which is standard and often required for many applications. At this point, you might need to manipulate this date to suit different parts of your workflow. For instance, you may need to plan for an event 5 days from now, or subtract several hours for time-sensitive tasks. To do this, add yet another step, again selecting Compose. In the Inputs field, we will be making use of the Add to Time or Subtract from Time functions, depending on your needs. Let's say you want to add 5 days to your current date. You can accomplish this by entering the expression Add to Time Variables Current Date 5 day. This adds 5 days to whatever the current date is, allowing you to work with future dates fluidly within your flow. Conversely, you may want to subtract time as well. Let's adjust our flow by subtracting 3 hours from the current date and time. The expression for this is Subtract from Time Variables Current Date 3 hour. This function comes in handy for handling past events or managing deadlines efficiently. These date functions not only enrich your understanding of Power Automate, but they also allow you to adjust dates dynamically based on your unique workflow requirements. By mastering these steps, you can make your flows not just reactive, but predictive and versatile. That's the power of working with dates in Power Automate. By following along, you've now gained a valuable skill set that enhances your automation tasks effortlessly.